What's the best way to order the do-it-yourself kit? And also, how can I add extra paint and another constellation, for example, Orion? All right, for right now, everything that is in this question, how to order, how to get extra paint, and how to order Orion, is all on the contact page in the link. So go to the contact section in the website, and I'm doing a new website now, so I should have a store finished when that's done. But until then, go to the contacts page, and in the form, start filling out the form, and then when it comes to what's your current interest, click on I'm ready to do this, let's do it, or whatever it says. Click on that, and additional sections of the form will open up. It will ask you if the paint that comes in the kit is enough. There's usually enough to do between 175 and 250 square feet. If you want to add more, go ahead and add more. There's an actual section for the paint, but to add Orion, or in the future any other constellation, you'll need to put that in the comments, at least on this form. And that's it. So fill out the form, put your address in, put you want more paint, put in there that you want Orion, and then we'll get that taken care of.